Alright, so from now onwards, I will be releasing a lot of crypto basics videos because I see a lot of people are struggling to understand the basics of the crypto, such as how to create Web3 wallet, what is staking, what is transaction, what is gas fees, and a lot of different things that need to learn before starting to onboard into the crypto ecosystem. So from now in this video, I will be telling how to create a crypto wallet and how to use it so that you can store your funds and you can do Web3 transaction. So if you are using laptop, if you're using the Chrome browser, so this video, you have to go to the Chrome web store and you have to search crypto wallet. So once you search, you will see a lot of crypto wallets are there. But my preference for this is OKX wallet. Why this wallet? I will be describing the whole into this video why OKX wallet is better than other wallets, why I prefer this. So what is wallet? You have to click on the OKX wallet now, and then you have to add this to your Chrome. Once you click on the OKX wallet, it will ask you to add as an extension. So our OKX wallet is now available to this web browser. What you have to do is, now as you can see, it is showing your portal to Web3, and now it is asking to create a wallet, and you can also import the wallet. What you can do is, let's try to understand like how to create a new wallet. You have to click on the create wallets, and I hope this will be your first video to understand how to create a new wallet. So once you click on create wallet, it has two options. One, through seed phrase, second, a hardware wallet. Let's start with seed phrase. Once you click on seed phrase, it will ask you to choose a password or a biometric authentication. For now, I'm choosing password. Let's click on next, and it will ask you to create any password. So now I'm choosing a password. You can choose your own. Let's say YouTube 123, YouTube 123, and then confirm. So once you confirm, it will give you a seed phrase, and only that seed phrase is important. This wallet, even you lose your laptop, you lose your wallet, doesn't matter. You must have your seed phrase to be noted down somewhere at the safe place. So now it is asking, before noting down your seed phrase, you should know it's the only way to recover your assets. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, because any person with your seed phrase can recover your wallet and can steal all the funds. So this seed phrase is very important. Write it down by hand and store it safely. So now note down seed phrase. So this is the seed phrase. I'm clicking on this. You don't need to show this to anyone. So this video is just for the demo purpose, and I'm not going to use this wallet anymore because the whole seed phrase is now visible to you. So these are the seed phrase that you have to store. So it is saying I have noted it down. You have to note it down to make it into this safe place. Can I copy this? Let's see if I can. Okay, I cannot copy. Okay, so just I have noted it down. Now it will ask you to enter the seed phrase. So for now, let me go back and let me take the screenshot of this so that I can just write it down here. So I have noted down. It is now asking me enter what is at third place. All right, what is there at the third place is together and 3, 5, 6. So 3 sources and warfare, 3, 5 and warfare. All right, so now it is saying your wallet is ready to use. So this is, I'm showing you for the demo purpose. You don't need to expose your seed phrase. And now start your Web3 journey. And right now, as you can see, your wallet is ready with $0 into your wallet. This is the interface of OKX wallet. And now let's explore what is inside it and why it is a lot better than other wallets. Once you click on this copy symbol, so this will give you the address of your wallet. So interesting thing here is, in just one wallet, so OKX is just one wallet, and you can create a lot of different wallets into just one place, because you don't need to create a wallet for EVM chains, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon. So these are EVM chains. So you for this you need MetaMask. For Solana you need Phantom. For Bitcoin you need Unisat, Magic Eden wallet, different wallets. So OKX has the flexibility. You can keep all these wallet at one place. As you can see, Bitcoin wallet is here with a different address ending with FN, Ethereum 5C, Solana JU, Ton wallet is also there, CF, Tron wallet is also there, and these are the EVM 5C, 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 Aptos wallet is also there. So this is why I prefer OKX wallet. You just need to have like one seed phrase for keeping all the wallets at one place to control everything. And what are the flexibility it is giving is, you can send any funds. So actually I don't have, so right now you can receive. So now it is asking which one you want to receive. Suppose you just want to receive USDT, then it will ask you at which network. So let's suppose I want on Solana, then it will give you the address. And now you can, if you will deposit your USDT to this address over the Solana, then you will receive, and these funds will be credited here, this place. So this is why. Even you can actually swap here, even the cross chain. You can swap from Ethereum to some other chain, maybe like, so this is the bridge also. You can swap ETH to BNB. So basically you are swapping from Ethereum to Binance chain using the OKX wallet. So they have all the things at one place: sending, receiving, swap, and bridge, as and all these features to all the chains at one place. So this is the beauty of OKX, and that's why I prefer OKX wallet. And let me show you one extra thing, like what is actually a seed phrase. Let me go to this settings, go to wallet management, and this is wallet. All right, settings. Let me find the seed phrase. So this is asking again for the password. Okay, so this is the seed phrase. This is the private key. So private key is associated with just one account. So this is the private key. Okay, it is asking for which network. So this is the private key. So private key is associated with the address. So in the blockchain there are two addresses, two strings, two things. One is private address, which is known as private key, and second is public key. That is, we know and we call it as wallet address. So wallet address is public key, and private key is something that you keep with yourself, and that is associated with your address and retrieved from this seed phrase. So seed phrase is the important thing. You can create thousands of accounts with these seed phrase, but you can only create one account with one private key. This is what you have to keep in your mind. So let me see if I can import another wallet with this seed phrase. So this is the important thing that you have to understand is, one seed phrase can create multiple accounts, multiple wallets. So this is the seed phrase. All right, so let me see if I can download another wallet, for example Phantom. So add to Chrome. All right, so this is another again new wallet, and this is specifically people use it for the Solana or base network. So it is asking create a new wallet. You can actually create a new wallet again, and it's asking create a seed phrase or continue with email. Let's go with seed phrase. Now it is again asking for the password to access this wallet. I am again putting YouTube123 and continue. And now it will give you seed phrase. Then again it is asking what is, I can't copy this. Okay, so that's very simple step. You have to store this seed phrase to recover your wallet. For example, let me show you. So this is the seed phrase of the OKX wallet. You can see here the guard, the egg together and everything. What I'm doing is I'm importing that wallet here. Suppose I have deleted this OKX, remove from Chrome. So OKX is not available. And now I want, but I have seed phrase. My laptop is lost, everything is lost, but I have that seed phrase written somewhere on the paper with myself. So create a seed phrase. Sorry, let me go back. I already have a wallet. Click on this, and then it is saying import secret phrase. Click here, and then it will ask you 12 words of seed phrase. So let me enter this seed phrase here. Okay, let me make it small. I will be taking this to some other screen so that I can type in here. First word is guard, second word is egg, third word is together, fourth is shell, fifth is sausage, then warfare, and then argue, and then eighth is will, ninth is dove, and then unknown, and then holiday, and finally category. So as you are noticing right now, I have imported the seed phrase of OKX wallet into the Phantom, and let's see if we can find our wallet here again. Importing accounts, one account is found because we have just created one wallet only. And let's continue. It is asking just put in any password. So I am putting any random password, but same password. I am continuing right now. All done. So if you click here with on the Phantom wallet, you can see our wallet is here with the same account. How do you know? If you remember, the Solana wallet was with JU, and Ethereum and EVM chain wallet were with 5C. So you can see 5C, 5C, 5C and JU with the same wallet. We have created a very same wallet with the seed phrase. So the important thing here is to understanding the seed phrase. And now you can do the same thing, receive, you can send, you can swap, and even you can buy using the Phantom wallets. So this is all about the basics of the wallet, like how you can use OKX and Phantom wallet, and what is the use case of seed phrase, what is private key, what is public key, and that's all about the wallets. And into the next video I will cover more basics about the Web3 ecosystem. So if you're new here, just hit on the subscribe button so that you can get the quality crypto knowledge to your YouTube feed. See you into the next video. Thank you.